Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in the world of Japanese cuisine and fine dining. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as sushi, 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 sushi. It's a traditional Japanese dish made with vinegared rice, often accompanied by seafood, vegetables, and sometimes tropical fruits, beautifully presented and enjoyed for its fresh flavors. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about sushi, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.